stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you know where to be from as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup. No lashes, even better when you wake up.
Yo, I'm not even gonna lie. I used to call myself an ugly, but I'm not even an ugly you. I'm a sexy you, you understand? Girl all over the globe wanna up you, you understand?
Snapchat to Instagram posting. Fuck up the vibe, my beat. Start running like London Bridge. I don't care if I saw you in a magazine or if you're on TV. That one don't mean nothing to me. Don't need a shower, oh baby, I need a free. Lick it like ice cream, as if you mean to be disgusting. It's not to me. Jump like banana. One side I laugh and no stopping it. Push up and fuck that. to the halago. Cause you know some my people they can lag on. Oh, go on, my power. As I hate it, no loss, but we bring them up. No, I be my father's son. Cause you know say I come from Potako. That's why I'm a jago. Start on the dance, I'm a dado. Go on the talago. I go show you the bounce and the lago. Cause I be city boy. And as I day for the street, they give me joy. I'm gonna give me boy. Put them on some Jesus and I'm gonna really does. Oh, yeah, no.
Hey yo, I'm not even gonna lie. I used to call myself an ugly, but I'm not even an ugly. I'm a sexy, you understand? Girl all over the globe wanna fuck me, you understand?
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, I go by the name of Mpenduloblessingtshabalala, but if you're returning, Sabi, welcome back. Right now I'm heading to the garage to meet up with someone, so yeah, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment and do subscribe to be part of the squad. Get a ball.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You know never, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you
Guys, it feels totally different to be on this side of the complex. Where else I live like far up there. But right now I'm heading back. I'm done chilling at the park and I'm heading home. So I'm back home. I don't think this can see. I am back home and I'm about to have my custard and chili. Look at how full this is. Look, it is so full, like no.
Look at you, huh? Let's get in the rounds. So, you got any assistance over here?
And I'm watching Beauty and Black. I'm on season 5 now. Since I started watching it yesterday. Yesterday I watched 2 episodes.
I did it well, mother.
Now,
Is that any way to speak to your step?
this morning I was 3, 4. Now I'm on episode 5. I was 6, 7, 8, and then yeah.
You gotta take drastic measures, like pushing him out of the window.
Nice.
You think I forgot about that shit?
Oh, I know you have.
You really think you gonna...
Morning guys, today is the following day. Actually, this vlog I wanted to make a daily dose of mpendulo, or like a 1-day vlog. But yesterday when I got back and ate the custard and jelly, my man came over and then he was like, please accompany me to go cook. So we left and my phone was already like on 5% and I didn't take my charger. So we got to his place, he cooked. I was also watching soccer. So after he cooked, we ate, and then after we ate, I was like, peace, I'm not staying for the soccer match. So I came back here I think 8:30 to 9, and then I just left. And then he was like, I was gonna come see you, but I'm already like drunk. I can't even eat. I won't make it to your place. And I was like, okay. So I'll see him today. He's going to play soccer. I think every Sunday they play soccer with his whatever friends or mates or whatever whoever those people he plays soccer with. So right now I have to wash the dishes. Actually, the meal that I made yesterday, I'm not in the mood for it. Like, I'll just put it in the fridge for rainy days. But what I'm craving now, I wanna make baked beans with eggs, and I have to go buy bread at the garage, and the weather doesn't look fine. You know, the spirit of laziness has me on a chokehold, because tell me why. I've been singing the song that I wanna wash my shoes, like mostly my sandals. There's this other pair that's so dirty and I wanna wear it during the week when I go to work. But the way I'm so lazy, I think I'll stick to wearing my sneakers. Honestly, I will wear my sneakers. So now I have to take out this bin again because something doesn't smell nice. Like, there's this foul smell, and I think it's the cheese. I think it's either this cheese, this one. It's the cheese that doesn't smell nice. So, I have to throw this out after washing the dishes and then sweep it, just tidy up. And now, and now as I climb pants and TV, I know I'll eat at 1 because the time now it's like 10 a.m. I'm ready to go buy the bread. Think of living alone. Or I'll send someone and be like, go buy bread or something. Yeah, I'm happy. I am so happy. So yeah. And about my relationship, wait a king. Even if you can judge me and be like, we're in a relationship, now you're loving a new man. I'm a lover of love. I'm a sucker for love. Nah. The relationship is still new, we're still fine, we're still getting to know each other. And it's flowing, good nice, good lovely, good yazidni. I'm experiencing the type of love I never experienced before in my previous relationship, but what can we say? People are different. You can't move on and then expect what you were getting previously. The same treatment and all of those stuff. Like, I've never experienced love bombing the way I am. Like, spending time with your man, just chilling, watching a movie and fall asleep. I never experienced that. Honestly, I never. But now we chill, he comes over, we chill. If he wants to go somewhere, he calls me, hi, do you want to go with me? Like, I'm going to see my aunt. Like, I've never even been introduced to any family member ever since I've started dating. I've never been introduced to any family member. Like, never. Even the siblings, but this one, like 2 weeks in it, he was like, I wanna introduce you to my family. And I met his family, his uncles. Like, it was men, his uncles and all of those stuff. Sometimes he'll call me and be like, don't you wanna come join me with my family for dinner? And I'm still shy because I've never experienced this. Like, never. You get what I'm saying? Even yesterday when we went to his place, his uncle was there. We were watching soccer, and he was like, can you please stay until the soccer match is over, and then I can take you to your place. You get like it is shame. Wabona this video of Bonang saying I'm a lover of love.
I am a lover of love, and I want to share with people that I'm in love. La go ka senyega re rata o mong.
Re rata o mong no, and I ka fela le re tla rata o mong. Like there's nothing I can do or say. How manje sekumele zile ukuthi relationship iphelile ngathi umuntu ushonile. No, we move on, but I'm happy, I'm content. Even if he's going like here to the garage, he'll be like, you know what, I'm thinking of going to the garage, and then we go to. You see him yesterday, he called me. He was like, I'm around and I'm at the garage, you see. I'm like, please get me ice cream. He's like, no, we'll go back together, you see. And then he called me. He's like, let's go to the garage there. And then we went there, and then I was like, you know what, I don't want the ice cream anymore. I want the custard and jelly because I just finished eating and I want some dessert. And he got me there. You see, even now he called me, asked me how I slept. He told me that he had slept early yesterday because they were drinking with his uncle. So he went to bed at 9:30, and now he's going to. I don't know. He said they were cooking so that they can eat when they get back from playing soccer. You see, like those mini, no, guys. He updates me like every hour. There's an update. So this is what I'm doing. This is what, like, I'm not used to that, but I'm adjusting and I'm loving it. So happy birthday to me, yeah. Congratulations to me. Send no smart omusha. Iphelele lapho. Wena sonke siyamthanda. Siyamthanda sonke. Ande. Well, if you've gotten this far on this vlog, thank you so much for tuning in. But this is where I'm ending the vlog. There was really nothing interesting besides my man and this vlog. But yeah, man. I will see you guys after 2 weeks. Hopefully, there will be more content. Like, I hate doing repetitive content. I feel like I will end up boring you guys, so hence I don't vlog like every week, because like I'm home like every time, you see. But now it's starting to get hot and stuff, so I'll start saving money so that at least we can have those. The thing is, I thought about this thing of doing solo dates, but now I used to do those solo dates even though I was in a relationship, because Mugai was always busy. But now I did tell my partner that I want to go out, and then he was like, when are we going? You see, he included himself in my plans. So now we have to, like, he wants to be there with everything that I do. He wants to be there. Unless he's busy, then it's understandable. But he said I must, when I plan on going on that date, I should just tell him in time, so that he can clear his schedule for that weekend, and then we can go together. So yeah, I'll go on a solo date if he's not available, and then we will do a double date, me and him. And yeah, that's how life's going to be going forward. And yeah, that's the only interesting thing about this vlog. But thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and do subscribe to be part of the squad. We are growing bits by bits. We're on 171, but I'm not happy. I was expecting that we'll be on 200 by this time, but yeah, maybe not posting consistently, and you see, not pitching up every week. Maybe that's what's boring people, because I saw someone did unsubscribe, and now I gained like 2 more followers, hence I'm on 171. Last year around this time in August, we were like on 100 subbies, so I was expecting that we'll be on 200, but it seems like we will end this year on 100 and something subbies. But that's fine, guys. I'm here to stay. I'll be here for the next 5 years. If you do like me that much to see me grow, like, yeah, man, life is still gonna be different. I'll be here even when I have start my own family, have my own kids. We will grow all together. I don't know at what age people stop YouTube, because I think YouTube can no. Wow. So we don't know who's the oldest person on YouTube who's doing YouTube, but I must still do this for the love of doing it. Even though I have goals of getting the channel monetized, like start making money from it, but other than that, I will be doing it for the love of it. I feel like I express myself more on this platform than I do on my TikTok. On TikTok, I do vlogs, but I don't like speaking on that side. But this side, you guys are like my family. Like, well, if you can ask me stuff, I feel like you guys deserve to know more than the TikTok family. Luna, you are the real OGs. The TikTok ones, there's 3. If you throw away food, hey, but you comment, hey, my sister, you know how hungry people are. And that time, they don't understand the fact that I live alone and food gets spoiled like quickly. And I'm used to, I was used to leaving food in the pots, so that when I come back, I just warm up and eat. But because now it's hot, I have to like put them in the scarves. But when it comes to bread, when it comes to buns, like I don't leave them in the cupboard for them to spoil like on purpose. Like today you feel like eating buns, you can eat it. Like today, this morning I felt like eating bread, but I didn't go buy that bread because I knew for sure the bread will get spoiled. And I'll just drive to a fish and chips. I think fish and chips do sell half bread. I don't even have a car, and shops are far from here. You get what I'm saying? So imagine me taking an Uber, going to get half a loaf so that people don't judge me. It doesn't work like that, no. So it won't work. So yeah, it's like that, like food gets spoiled easy, so I try to get stuff that will be like fit for me. But anyways, Lonaka Larata, love you zip sound, love you loads, my darlings. Yeah, but we will grow, we will reach the milestones. But for now, I love you as 171. I love all of you. I love all of you guys. I will see you on my next vlog. I hope you are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, I hope my next vlog will convince you to subscribe and do come back. But for now, I just put the chicken in the oven, and then after I did it, but I didn't show you guys, I made the chakalaka and pap, and I had chakalaka and pap, and I ate it an egg because that's what I was craving in the morning. But now I'm making the meat. Also, when the meat is ready, I'll have the pap, chakalaka and meat, and then make my sculpting, and then wait for my partner. He said he will get here late, but he's not sure what time he will get here, so I will wait for him, and then yeah, see him, and then go to bed and get ready for the week, get ready for Monday. Yeah. Anyways, I love y'all.